fish. Welcome back to another super long overdue episode. We really like to make these videos, but you know, when you live on some of the most expensive islands, you kind of gotta hustle, work a couple jobs, and not sleep, drink, you know what I'm saying. Back to another episode. We're gonna go spearfish today, and I'm so excited because my gills have been super duper dry, and I need to get back in the water because I got a lot of new gear that I'm stoked about too. I mean, honestly, I'm stoked about my gear, but been spearfishing for a couple of years, and I'm stoked that I've been consistent enough with it, and I still love it so much where I want to like keep investing in more quality gear. I got a new wetsuit from Waihana, so I'm stoked to finally get that one wet and in the water. New weight belt from Siag, and a kui, just because I always lose kuis, but whatever. I already started packing up my truck with my gear, waiting for a friend to get here so we can go skedaddle to a familiar spot that definitely gone to before. I'm hoping it's fishy. I haven't been there in a while, obviously, because I haven't speared in like half a year. Planning to hang around for a while. I just want to catch some fish. And anyway, so a nice size kala, like something take home for dinner tonight. It's the weekend, baby, and I am ready to just relax and have fun and just do whatever the fuck I want. And that means spearfishing, fixing my nasty tan line from working the boats. But yeah, it should be good. Just gonna wait over here, drink a ton of water, and hopefully this will be a catch and cook tonight. I'm already thinking about recipes, so yeah. All right, cool. See you guys later. So just stringing up my weight belt right now, but we about to get on our way. It's in pretty good conditions all over island for like the past couple days, besides like some like random like afternoon trade winds coming. It's like major east winds right now, but the place that we're thinking about, it's kind of like a bay almost, so it has a little protection, actually a lot of protection, so it should be like super cherry over there. I already checked the reports, it's looking good. I'm stringing up this new belt. Hopefully I don't lose this one because I'm fucking tired of losing shit. Yeah, 8 pounds will do. Yeah, hopefully poke some fish for dinner tonight, if you know what I'm saying. Automatic. Okay, we'll see you on the flip side. All right, so we're at the spot, but there is no parking like anywhere. But honestly, you guys, it's looking a little windy over here anyway. Like look at this. It's looking okay, you cannot really tell, but like if you guys look all the way back there, it's pretty like it's windy. Okay, I don't know, maybe I'm just being a little wuss about it. Anywho, these are like look at this one. Oh, it's coming in. Donnie just went to go check out conditions because it's a bay, it's like a semi-protected bay, so it might be okay on like the right side. So he went to go check it out. The only real situation is that we need to find parking. Yeah, so I don't know, we might get lucky, but yeah, just waiting to see what the report is, and stay tuned, we might be hanging out at this spot. good morning. It is definitely the next day. I caught a super adorable little papio, also kind of known as like a baby trevally. Yeah, it was kind of cool how I got it because I was like kind of looking for some seashells. This little papio just comes into hindsight and I was like, okay, bye-bye. So I got that papio on the menu for breakfast. We're gonna have a full-on catch and cook going on this morning. Papio for breakfast. I'm thinking about making some fish patties packed with vegetables because I love vegetables. I got some carrots going on, zucchini, and a jalapeno, of course. I'm gonna get maybe another one in there. We'll see how spicy I'm feeling. Probably chop up a couple of these mac nuts also. Crush up a couple of these like tortilla chips to add a little crunch to it. Get this. This is my first time making fish cake patties, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I have all the vegetables chopped up in this little bowl over here. I'm gonna get some of this pancake mix, which is great because I think pancake like binds a little better anyway. Use some of this, put this in here. A little bit. Got a couple of these spices, one from Kinder's, Buttery Steakhouse, Hana, traditional kind right over there. Of course, some cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna add some salt pepper too on this one. Yeah! The fish cake batter is all ready and prepped. Now we just gotta fillet this beautiful papio. Look at the colors. Chop it up really good and then mix it with that batter to make some super delicious fish cakes. I didn't put the salt in yet. I gotta put the salt.
Chicken food.
No. Chicken food for that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, you're right. Eat chickens, eat! Eat one apples. Eat the fish. They don't like it. I mean, fish is supposed to be good for chickens, like protein. I saw it on someone's Instagram, so I don't know. I hope they learn to start liking it because it's just really good for their immune system and everything, you know? Like they're like trying to check it out, but they're like not sure about it. It's like right there. Hey Cinnamon, there's fish here. Go get the fish. I don't know. We'll see if Cinnamon gets it. She's right here. So Donnie got the skin off. I'm just gonna start chopping it up. Got our farm fresh eggs from one of the Easter eggers. Okay, now I'm gonna use my hands to put everything together. I forgot the corn chips. I'm gonna smash this up too and put it in there just for like a little crunch. Just a couple though because I already have like a whole bunch of the pancake mix in. It looks like pretty patty makeable, but I just like crunch in everything. So I'm gonna maybe like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 chips. Just gonna crush them out like really good though with my hand. This again, get everything incorporated really. Make them into a ball, cute little ball, smush it down, but make sure no longer inside. Cinnamon! You eat that fish or what? We got the fish cakes already over here. Oiled up the pan. Gonna do a little outdoor cooking session. I'm super stoked for these fish cakes. I didn't think I'd get 4 patties out of it, honestly. Someone get some? Need some fish cakes? Oh, that one broke. Guys, I think the fish cakes are ready. I cut one in half just to make sure everything was cooked proper. Oh my gosh, because we're not trying to get sick, but we're ready to play. Ah! Oh yeah, oh my gosh, that's gonna be so fire. Okay, so I put a little bit of this slaw that I made yesterday. It's just like cabbage, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper. Let it sit overnight so it gets a little soft like that. Got zucchini on the side, but it looks so good, you guys. I'm kind of excited. My first try, and I think I did pretty good. But let's try it out. Make sure it tastes. Oh no. First taste test. I'm gonna go for the one I already cut open. A little bit of slaw. I got some zucchini on the side. Super delicious. Thank you for watching this episode. I know this was super overdue, like probably 5-6 months, but more catch and cooks coming soon. I appreciate you guys. Have an amazing day. I'm gonna keep eating this one. Yeah. Here, come try it so I can get a second person's impression.
All delicious.